Right guys, Matt here at Cobra Sport Exhaust. Today we've got a Focus RS in, as you can see. Today we're going to be fitting a catback Venom system. Now I've laid the systems out just to show you the difference between them, both the standard OE1 and the Cobra Venom. This is the standard system, and this is your Cobra Venom. Now this is a resonated centre box, and then to the rear of the car you basically got exit pipes, no rear box, and this is a valved one with 4.5-inch slash cut inverted tips. I'll do a bit more of a video once it's done, let you have a listen to it, see what you think. Right guys, it's all done. Focus RS Mk3. Take it underneath, let you have a look at it. Right, let's have a listen to it. Right, as you can tell from that, it's not for the faint-hearted. It's a Venom system catback. If you want any further details about this or any other systems that we do, please check out www.cobrasport.com, or give our sales team a call on 0114 244 7123. Cheers, thank you.